Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to design a responsive header navigation in Figma using auto layout. If you've ever struggled with creating navigation bars that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes or just want to speed up your workflow, this tutorial will give you all the tools you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find, customize, and implement a smart, responsive header navigation that you can use in your own projects, whether you're designing a website, an app, or a fresh prototype. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Figma Templates and Tools section. You might be thinking, why start here? Well, using pre-made resources in Figma isn't just about saving time. It's also about learning from proven design patterns that work well responsively. In the search bar, type Responsive Header Navigation. This helps narrow down your choices instantly to assets designed specifically to adjust themselves across devices like desktops, tablets, and phones. Taking this step ensures that you're working with components that already have thoughtful structure and adaptability baked in. Once you've searched and found the template section, spend a moment scrolling through the options for responsive header navigation. Don't rush this part, it's worth taking a few extra seconds to preview the designs. You might notice different styles. Some look minimal and modern, others have more colors or icons, and some show hamburger menus for mobile views. When you select a navigation that fits your project's style, click Open in Figma. If you're newer to Figma, this button will automatically duplicate the template into your own workspace, so you can start tweaking right away. Now comes the fun part, customizing the navigation so it truly feels like your own. You're not stuck with the default logo, links, or colors. Select the header navigation component and look for auto layout properties in the right-hand panel. If you're unfamiliar with auto layout, think of it like magic glue that keeps everything aligned and spaced out automatically, even when you change or add content. For example, if you switch from Home, About, and Contact to more links or shorten the text, everything adjusts instantly, which is crucial for responsive design. Go ahead and try changing the colors to match your brand's palette, swap out the logo for your own, and adjust the text style. If you want to preview how it will look on different screen sizes, click on Present and drag the edges of the frame. Watch how the menu reorganizes itself, maybe collapsing into a hamburger icon on mobile. Don't worry if things seem off the first time, that's totally normal. You can adjust the spacing, padding, and alignment until everything looks just right. Take your time here, the details really matter for usability. Once you're happy with your customized header navigation, it's time to add it to your main design. Simply select the navigation component, copy it, and then paste it into the top section of your project's canvas. Double-check that it sits neatly and that all the interaction bits, like dropdowns or mobile toggles, work as intended. Think of this step like fitting a puzzle piece into the larger design. It should feel seamless, not tacked on. And that's honestly all there is to it. You've just added a modern, responsive header navigation to your design in Figma, leveraging the power of auto layout and customizable templates. Whether you're building a portfolio, a startup homepage, or anything in between, this approach will save you tons of time and give your users a smooth, flexible experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials every week. Drop your questions or tips in the comments below. I read them all and love to help out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.